I found a company that we can trade and make 20% profit. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and I found another great company to trade. Now, this isn't a company I would hold long term. This is a company that is set up for a beautiful swing trade in the next few days. Now, if you watch this a week from now, a month from now, or a year from now, this may not be relevant to you. So subscribe to the channel so you get these daily updates or weekly updates, whatever they are, to you when they come out. Now, as you can see, GoPro has hit this 116, okay, $1.16 level of support 3 times, and I am loading up. If you can actually look on my chart settings, I have it set up to where I have a buy order which already went through on this swing trade. And guys, 20% profit is just the beginning, as this actually has gone up to highs of $2.70 very recently. So let's talk about it real quick. 20% ROI from $1.16 to about $1.40 is 20% profit. Now, in about 10 days, this company went up 28%. Okay, 28%. So buying 100 shares at $100, right? Because if it's $1 per share, $100, you would make $20. Now, if you had $1,000 invested, which exactly what I'm doing here, 1,000 shares, if it goes up 20%, then you would have roughly $200. Now, with that said, not a bad trade if you have the right mindset behind it. Now, it went up 23% recently, from 116 to 120, came all the way back down to 116 again just days after, and grinded all the way back up to $1.45. This was a 25% profit in 7 days, right after it just had a rally of about 7 days as well. So in my mind, if this continues to play out with this horizontal pattern, because more times than not, patterns do tend to repeat themselves. Now, doesn't mean they have to, and they don't always have to, but as you can see here, it's actually repeated itself 1, 2, and potentially 3 times. It's halfway set up for that 3rd time. Now, with this said, I have a nice average of, I believe it was like 123. I don't really want to bring up too much of those stats right now or get into it. This is just a quick video. Or I guess I can, just for some proof of pudding, as they were to say. Maybe someone says that. I don't know if I say that. I'm saying it now, right? So we have a 123 average share price, 123, and I bought at 821. I don't know if you guys can see that. On 821, I bought, average price filled 123. So we can put our line right here as a really good indication of exactly where I bought. Okay, I didn't buy at a super low area, but I didn't buy at an extremely high level either. Okay, I'm buying right in this zone. Now, I can add more to it if I want to, but I think 1,000 shares a start is pretty significant. Now, as that goes up, we hit 145. That's 20 cents per 1,000 shares. That's $210, or a 16% profit. So very excited to see what happens with this position as the week plays out coming ahead. If you want to stay tuned into this video, or this trade with me, then definitely subscribe to the channel so you can follow along with it. 22 cents per share, 1,000 shares, 17% profit. Okay, that is what I have for today's video that I found for the week. It's Saturday. We have a lot more going on, a lot more to come. I'm still trying to figure out what direction I want to take with the channel. Are we going to strictly do Johnny trades and trading content, or are we going to try to continue to mash the hybrid athlete content with it? Or am I going to have to just do a separate channel and do that? I don't know yet. So if you guys have any ideas on that or thoughts, let me know. and we'll keep you guys updated with some more uh, stuff inside my life soon. But I did want you guys to catch this play, as I did buy it Thursday afternoon, held it Friday, and it's still holding, still able to set itself up for a nice rally. So 7 days could technically be, you know, around this area, which would be August 28th, maybe August 29th. But that's kind of where we're looking to have our sell order. Okay. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.